What's a custom water loop?
Hi, I'm Paul, this is Diane, and we are the PC Zombies, and this is the 5th installment of our PC Cooling Basics video series.
In our previous videos, we covered air and all-in-one water coolers.
And now we're going to continue with water coolers, but now we're going to talk about custom water loops. This is fun, guys. Stick around.
So what's a custom water loop?
In the case of a custom water loop, you do your own plumbing. You cut the pipes, you bend the pipes, you put fittings on the pipes, and then those fittings go into something like this, the reservoir. The pipes go in, and then it pipes it on to your CPU. On your CPU, you have to install a water block, run the pipes to it, so it's a lot more work. Now, these are straight pipes where you have to cut them and shape them and bend them. You can also do a custom water loop with flexible pipes, just like hoses, like what you have in there.
Yeah.
And that works just as good, but it doesn't look as cool. So I like to do my custom water loops with straight pipes because it's way cooler. So why would you go through all that work? Because it's a challenge. It's really neat to do that and get past that skill. But it does keep your PC a lot cooler. And if you're really on an extreme rig, you want to keep your PC much cooler. You want to keep that CPU cool. And you may even want to remove that big fan on your graphics card, which also makes a lot of noise because it's an air cooler, and put a water block on your graphics card instead. Then you run your pipes from the CPU to the water block. And if you get the right motherboard, like our next build has a motherboard that actually has a water block built in on the VRMs, so we can cool those hot components that are delivering the electricity right into the CPU. Look at how much water it holds. That water is a lot cooler. You can also have it go through multiple radiators, maybe one on the front and one on the top. That way that water has a double chance of getting cooled off nicely. Plus the pipes are a lot wider, so they will take more water through. So you got a lot more cooling capacity with a custom water loop. That means you can overclock it faster. You can get your graphics card cooler, and you can overclock your graphics card. You got your VRMs cooler, everything's cooler.
Your computer's going to be so quiet.
It's going to be quiet, it's going to look awesome. That's the way to go, don't you think? Mm-hmm. But it's a big challenge. And you don't do it unless you also have glass, tempered glass on the front. You want to show that off. If you're going to build it, you want to show it off. Plus, these little fittings here, they're kind of neat and all, but they're expensive. And so you have to pay a lot of money for these fittings. Okay, Di, that's the basics on a custom water loop. Next time, we're going to tell you how to pick between air or water for cooling your PC. So what are the pros and cons of those coolers?
Sounds like fun.
All right, so please subscribe.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Bye.